I'm going to show you how to set up a website quickly and easily using Weebly. Let's begin by visiting www.weebly.com. Okay, here we are. Let's enter some details and then click Get Started. No other information is required during this sign-up process, and we'll receive a welcome email once our account has been created. We'll be asked to specify the focus of the site. We're not going to worry about creating a blog or an online shop, so let's just click Site. Weebly comes with lots of built-in themes. Let's just pick the first one. Now we have to choose a domain name. We can choose a free subdomain of Weebly, create an entirely new domain, or use a domain we've already set up before. In the real world, it's best to create a domain that matches the business name. For the purposes of this demo, though, we'll stick with a subdomain of Weebly and enter my name in the field. There's a video intro next, but let's skip that to save a little time. We can crack on by clicking Build My Site. We now find ourselves in the Weebly control panel. There are various buttons running down the left-hand side of the page, and these allow us to add various features to our new site. Everything is done through a drag and drop approach, which makes it very easy to start building pages. We're going to start by dragging in a title item, and then we'll be able to edit the item to add our own text. Next, we'll click the placeholders that were already on the page and add some more text. Let's make the changes live on our new website, so we'll click the Publish button. We're reminded of the domain options we saw earlier. Let's click Continue without changing any settings. Now we're asked to categorize our website. Let's select Business and then click Continue. Next, there's a security check to ensure that the site isn't being created by a robot spammer. We just fill in the characters in the image and click OK. And that completes the publishing process. We'll see the results a little later. We have to be careful at this point because the system will encourage us to register a proper domain name. You will probably want to do this at some point, but don't feel rushed into it. Remember that choosing the right domain name is an important step in marketing your business. Right, let's make some other changes. We're going to switch to the About tab of our site and add a photo. Let's drag in the image item and drop it on the page. Now we've got a little upload image placeholder on the page. Clicking it will allow us to add a photo. We browse to find a suitable photo and then wait for the file to be uploaded. And there I am. If we click an image, we'll see various options. Let's add a quick caption to my photo. And how about adding some more text on this page? This time we just drag in the text item and drop it below the photo. Now we can click the placeholder and pop in whatever we want to say about ourselves. Formatting options appear automatically while we're entering text. All pretty easy stuff. Okay, how about the contact page? We want people to be able to contact us easily, so we'll drag in a contact form item. Everything's set up automatically and we just need to amend the title of the form. The Form Options button lets us confirm that form messages are directed to the correct email address. The View Entries button will show us a record of messages we've received through the form. So we can track these messages online or simply catch up with them by email. If we want to change the site's design, we need to click into the Design tab and then select a different theme. We can also make separate changes to the typeface and to the background of our website. If we want to create new pages or adjust the ordering of our existing pages, we need to click into the Pages tab. To create a new page, we click Add Page and then Standard Page. Now we can name our page and select its type of layout before we click Save and Edit. Just as before, we're going to drag some items in to build the structure of the new page. Let's click Publish to make all our changes live, and then take a look at the results. All we need to do is browse to our new web address. Here's our page in a new window. We can click through the tabs and see that everything appears as expected. Let's fill in the comment form and see what happens when a message is submitted. And this is the sort of email we'll receive. Finally, we'll click into the new page we created. There it is. Now let's switch back into the Weebly control panel. Here's a great feature. We can see what our site will look like on mobile devices by clicking the mobile icon in the top right. The theme adjusts accordingly and the menu moves around, but the basic content stays in place. Very handy. If we scroll the left-hand panel, we can see that there are several draggable items that we can use to enhance and develop our site. It would take too long to go through these in detail, but each item is quite straightforward to use, and of course there's a built-in help feature to give you a hand if you need it. So, give it a try. I'm sure you'll soon have a professional-looking website to promote you and your business. Why not contact me and let me know how you get on?